I think the growth, opportunity is very big. As I can see, the data, the traffic that's coming to Dagang today in terms of trade. As I said just now, in the first 5 months this year, as compared to the first 5 months last year, an average of CAGR of about 20 to 25%. For the month of May, compared to the same period last year, it has grown to about 35%. So what does it mean? Which means now, because of the demand in Malaysia, probably is going to be, a bit more stunted. People are pushing for export. And as the market, globally is slowly opening up, there is a very good opportunity for manufacturers, traders, to push the product. So I believe the growth potential, I think, will still be high. Of course, it might not enjoy to a 20 to 25%. At least it should be able to flatten about 10% growth, globally. Now, for SealNet, I think we are starting off a very low base today. Contribution of SealNet to the group, I think, is very low. And that is why we want to do this launch to really, what we call broadcast what we're going to have and make sure that the revenue of SealNet will grow. Today, if we are talking about the growth, we are expecting the revenue of SealNet to grow about 300% because the base is very zero. In terms of profit, we hope it's going to be profitable. Because we are providing services that needed. And as always, we are very competitive in the way we charge our fees to our customer. Because our view is not to burden our customer. Our value is when the customer realizes that what we provide give them the cost competitive edge. At the same time, of course, we as a business, we like to charge them fees, but the transaction fees that we do is marginal compared to the saving that they're gonna get from the business point of view. So I'm quite sure, SealNet's revenue will continue to grow, and over time, eventually, it will then add, contribution to the profit of DNeX. Because today, if you look at historically, the contribution is very small because we have not really been very aggressive, purely because we want to make sure that our products becomes very mature and getting the right feedback for the customer. So I think the time has come for us to be a bit more aggressive, particularly to ride in this new wave of, growth and demand in logistics and trade.